Okay, so we had two kerosene heaters. Neither one of them worked. One of them actually caught on fire and it bit the dust, needless to say. However, with the parts, a little bit of time, a little bit of cleaning, and some fuel, we have got one working. It's quite old. I'll tell you what, the heat coming out of this thing will warm up this entire building. It's a pretty good sized building. I'm estimating this heater right over here is roughly pumping out about 30,000 BTUs. It's running on medium high. It's hot enough to probably fry breakfast on top if you had the right skillet. But from microwaves to air conditioners, heaters, and various other things in between, the how-to tips are not very hard to figure out.